And after a pocket-pinching hike of petrol and diesel prices, now Oil Minister Veerappa Moily has proposed a bizarre formula to curb the rising import bill. In a letter to Prime Minister, he has said that the petrol pumps should be shut down between 8 p.m. and 8 a.m. The BJP has attacked the minister over this night shutdown plan, while the Congress leaders feel that this could result in fuel discipline.
That the country needs that, petroleum consumption will have to be conserved, and we need to adopt some austerity. People should also cooperate with us.
Right.
Because 80% of the petroleum products are imported in this country in dollar terms. This is the big thing. All these couple of months from 58, if it has come to 68, that means the oil companies have lost 80,000 crores.
Right.
Where do you find that money? Otherwise, I have to close the petrol bunks, and they will go dry. This cycle, the country cannot afford to have it.
Yes.
That is why we would like to utilize this crisis as a crisis, in particularly the rupee, and into an opportunity to build that kind of an austerity, that kind of a conservation, and that kind of a culture.
देखिए, सरकार पेट्रोल पंप क्या वो देश बंद कर देगी? जिस तरह आर्थिक हालत हो गई है, अलग अलग तरह के सुझाव सरकार के मंत्री दे रहे हैं, बिना सोचे समझे सुझाव दे रहे हैं। अगर रात में पंप हो जाएगा तो क्या दिन में लोग टैंक नहीं फुल करा लेंगे? ये अजीब अजीब तरह का सुझाव वीरप्पा मोइली साहब को और कोई सुझाव नहीं समझ आ रहा तो हम लोगों से ले लें। देश की आर्थिक स्थिति ठीक करनी, ये इसी तरह के मंत्री हैं जिस तरह कमलनाथ ने कहा था कि लोग ज्यादा खाने लगे हैं इसलिए महंगाई बढ़ गई। एक मंत्री ने इनको कहा था कि 5 रुपए में थाली और 12 रुपए में थाली मिल रही है, और अब वीरप्पा मोइली कह रहे हैं कि रात में पेट्रोल पंप बंद कर देंगे तो सब कुछ ठीक हो जाएगा। मंत्री लोग जो है अपना खर्चा बंद कर दें, सरकारी खर्चे को घटा दें। 13 का स्टाफ लेकर मंत्री जो तेल का उपयोग कर रहे हैं अपनी अपनी कार वापस कर दें।
Mr. Moily is a very senior and experienced politician, and he is looking after the oil ministry, petroleum ministry, and the main expenses are on our crude oil, that they should try to minimize the use of petrol. We should not waste petrol, this and that, he has already said. So it's one of the measures by which we can reduce a little bit, the